All right. So,
Well, let me start by telling you that Idonia One Drop Tour BRT Weekend event was massively amazing. He passed through to the Stone Crest this weekend, and you already know he had performances from Moyan, Vanessa Bling, Governor, Alkaline, Idonia. It was a rain or shine event, and let me tell you, it started late, but it kicked off with some mad performances, which did not disappoint. There was great energy from all the acts, and let me tell you, the people and the girls, them love Alkaline. Them love him so bad. Them love everything.
Alkaline is a veteran artist now. Alkaline is more than, and you said he's mainstream.
Yeah, he's mainstream. He's crossed over
Crossover where?
into the North American market. People know him.
What song?
Better sit up, but that's a loyalty. You better go and remember me. Me nah sell out, me nah sell out.
Maybe maybe the New York market, maybe in Florida.
You don't
I'm
think
just
so?
saying.
You don't think so? It's true.
Mainstream. I don't know the hip hop stations playing Alkaline. I'm sorry, I don't.
Come on, baby, just let me spoil you. Give you everything you like. As long as you're alright, then we alright.
Big up to all Alkaline fans out there. including
man.
Lady Lalibella.
Yes, see it.